Hey dudes and female dudes, my name is Bozo.
I'm Bojo.
And I'm Jobo.
And
We are Dude Imperfect
Parkour
Tricks!
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh! Let's go! Oh my god! That's crazy, bro!
Dude Perfect. I mean, Imperfect.
I'm Bojo, and this is a Stumperoo Jumperoo.
I'm Jobo from Dude Imperfect, and this is the swing thing.
Oh my god! I cannot believe you just did that. I thought you did you see it?
This is Dude Imperfect, I'm Guy, and this is the Flip-a-Spinzerazo.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wow! It was worth picking you up off the street! I'm Bozo, and I'm about to attempt a trick never attempted in history. I call it the defying the laws of the physics.
Dude, I know you can do it! I believe in you!
Let's go!
You can do it!
Let's
you
go!
can do it! You can do it!
I'm Jobo.
I'm Bojo!
And I'm Guy. That's Bozo.
We're Dude
Imperfect.
Imperfect! And Parkour tricks!
Guy, hit it with the fist.
Bojo! Hit it with the spin!
I'm Bozo, and I'm going to hit it with a ritual to Cthulhu!